Hello and welcome to this video, which offers a quick overview of Azure Cost Management and its predecessor, Cloudyn. It is intended to give more details on when and why customers and partners should use Azure Cost Management as opposed to Cloudyn. My name is Pradeep Rogers. Cloudyn, which was acquired by Microsoft in June of 2017, will be replaced by Azure Cost Management, and the Cloudyn service will be deprecated, and eventually this legacy solution will be turned off in calendar year 2020. Microsoft has been integrating key Cloudyn capabilities and features into Azure Cost Management and will try to attain feature parity wherever possible before Cloudyn is turned off. Azure Cost Management is a native Azure service designed from the ground up to enable customers and partners gain complete visibility and control of their cloud spend. It is intended to be used by management teams that are accountable for the overall cloud spend, finance teams responsible for reporting cloud costs, enforcing spending limits, and by application teams building and deploying optimized workloads. Azure Cost Management enables these personas to work together to provide a continuous cloud cost optimization process. Azure Cost Management is generally available and as a native Azure service has some key benefits over Cloudyn. Unlike Cloudyn, where the service had to be set up separately, Azure Cost Management is on by default. It is built into the Azure portal for a seamless experience and provides improved reliability and scale. It offers a unified management plane by combining key features of the Enterprise Agreement and Azure portals. Leveraging Azure Active Directory, the service provides a deeper role-based access control for accessing cost data. It uses the built-in Advisor service to provide enhanced resource optimization guidance. Data collection and analysis latency are significantly reduced by as much as 80% when compared to Cloudyn. Also, the service is free for managing Azure costs. To answer the question as to when you should use the native Azure Cost Management service as opposed to the legacy Cloudyn service, it primarily depends on two things. One, which Azure offer you are currently using, and two, specific cost management features and capabilities you require to run your cloud operations today. From an offers perspective, if you are consuming Azure through any of the offers listed here, you can use Azure Cost Management. For example, if you are an Enterprise Agreement or pay-as-you-go customer, you can use Azure Cost Management. Similarly, if you are consuming Azure through the new Microsoft Customer Agreement offer, then Azure Cost Management is the recommended solution. On the other hand, if you are a cloud solutions provider or have a sponsored account, then Cloudyn is your cost management solution for now until Azure Cost Management will support these offers. Please refer to the link shown to find the complete list of Azure offers currently supported by Azure Cost Management. In addition to the different offers supported by Azure Cost Management, customers and partners also need to look at the specific cost management features they are currently leveraging in Cloudyn to ensure similar features are available in Azure Cost Management before transitioning. The table provides a short list of features and capabilities of Azure Cost Management that are now available, along with the ones that are in preview and features that are in planning stages and will be part of Azure Cost Management in the near future. Core cost management capabilities like cost analysis, budgeting, and alerting are in general availability. The ability to group by and filter data based on multiple dimensions like resource types, resource tags, date ranges, and billing and resource entity scopes can be done today. Action groups for administrators to perform custom actions based on cost management alerts and thresholds are part of the service. You can use Azure Cost Management to do cost optimizations and understand reservation amortizations. The service also allows users to export and save reports in various formats from CSVs to PNG files. Marketplace charges as well as support for the new Microsoft Partner Agreement channel are generally available. Azure Cost Management also has several features currently in preview, and they will be generally available in the coming months. These include cross-cloud support for managing cloud spend on Amazon Web Services, cost allocation capability to allow organizations to allocate costs from commonly used services, and the ability to add markups. Also, analyze AWS cost data and set budget alerts are in preview. Some of the features that are in planning stages for Azure Cost Management include scheduling emails of reports, support for cost management of sponsored account, capabilities for IT organizations to implement chargebacks and custom charges, the ability to provide enhanced AWS optimization recommendations, and cross-cloud support for Google Cloud Platform. Please remember, the planned features can and will change based on customer and partner feedback, Azure Cost Management team's priorities, and related factors. Finally, the best way to keep track of what features are currently available in Azure Cost Management, what's in preview, and what's planned for future release is by following the blog posts on the Azure Updates page shown here. These blog posts are updated regularly to keep you informed on all things related to Azure Cost Management. In conclusion, as organizations mature in their use of cloud services, cost management is becoming a critical factor in optimal cloud operations. Azure Cost Management is designed from the ground up to provide advanced cost management capabilities to meet the needs of organizations of all sizes. With Cloudyn service set to be turned off in 2020, this is a great time for customers and partners to start using Azure Cost Management and be prepared for the termination of the Cloudyn service. Thanks for watching, and please see our other videos in the Azure Cost Management channel on YouTube.